In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use email and activities on Monday.com so you can send, receive, and track emails directly inside your boards without switching between tools. This is incredibly useful for sales teams, client managers, project coordinators, or anyone who wants to keep communication organized and tied to specific tasks. By the end of this video, you'll know how to add the Emails and Activities app, connect your inbox, and start sending emails straight from your board items. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Monday.com tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, log in to your Monday.com account. Once you're inside your workspace, navigate to the board where you want to track emails or activities. This could be a CRM board, a project tracker, a client onboarding board, or any workflow where communication is important. The key idea is that emails will be linked to individual items on this board, so choose the one that makes the most sense for your process. Now that you're inside the correct board, we need to add the Emails and Activities app. Look to the left sidebar and click on Apps. In the search bar, type in Emails and Activities. When it appears in the results, click on it and then choose Add to Board. Make sure you're adding it to the correct board if prompted. Once added, this app allows you to send, receive, and track email conversations directly within each item. This keeps all communication centralized and easy to reference later. Next, let's connect your email account. Open any item on your board by clicking on its name. Inside the item view, you'll see the Emails and Activities panel. Click on Connect Account. You'll be asked to choose your email provider, such as Gmail, Outlook, or other supported service. Select your provider, then log in with your email credentials. Monday.com will request certain permissions so it can send and track emails on your behalf. Review the permissions carefully, then click Allow to complete the connection. Once connected, your email account will be linked to that board and you'll be ready to start communicating. Now let's compose and send an email. Inside the Emails and Activities panel of an item, click on Email. A compose window will appear. In the recipient field, you can manually type an email address, or if your board includes an email column, you can link it directly so it automatically pulls in the contact's email. Next, enter your subject line and write your message in the body section. You can format the text, add links, and attach files if needed. This is especially helpful for sending proposals, updates, or documents without leaving Monday.com. When everything looks good, click Send. Once sent, the email will automatically appear in the Updates or Timeline section of that item. This means anyone who has access to the board can see the communication history, making collaboration much easier. Replies from the recipient will also sync back into the same thread, so you don't have to jump back and forth between your inbox and your project management tool. And that's how you use Email and Activities on Monday.com. You've learned how to open the right board, add the Emails and Activities app, connect your email provider, and send messages directly from an item while keeping everything tracked and organized. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tips and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.